Hey everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Adventurecraft tutorials. So today we're going to be tackling um, basic editing tools. So, essential things like the hammer, the eraser, all that stuff. So first, we're going to lay down a couple blocks just as a starting point. So I think the first thing we'll go through is the select tool, which is a little arrow. It's called the cursor tool. The cursor tool allows you to select areas and essentially, target areas for other areas. So first off, very basic stuff. If you click one block and you click another block over here, it's going to select all of those blocks. Or, if you click here and then here, it selects all that. But that's basically the select tool. Pretty basic stuff. Now, something a little more complex is the hammer tool. Now, the hammer tool lets you sort of build and edit things. So let's go ahead and build it up like that. Go to the cursor tool, and we want to select this top block here and this bottom block here. And if you'll notice, there's this sort of empty space where nothing is selected. It's just sort of air. So now if we go to the hammer tool here and we right click on the stone, right? Let's say we want to have a wall of stone. So you want to right click on the stone there. So now look, the entire selected area is now stone. Pretty simple. If you want it to be dirt, you got to just select the dirt and it turns into dirt. And if you want it to be the stone again, just click on the stone. So that's the way the hammer tool works. It's also a pretty good tool for destroying stuff. It's like a pickaxe, whatever you want to call it. And that's basically the hammer tool. It can build stuff, it can select or destroy stuff. The next tool we have here is the eraser tool. Now the eraser tool essentially just erases whatever space you have selected. So this area is selected. If we right click with the eraser tool, it erases the entire area. And then we just want to put it back with the hammer. The next tool we have here is a clipboard. And essentially it's basically just a paste tool. So essentially we have this area selected here, and with the paste tool here we can place it wherever we want. So we can place it here and here if we want to, and look at that, we're creating a wall simply by pasting. It just makes it easier to place things. Let's say you built like a tree or a car and you didn't want to have to remake it again and again and again. Then simply all you have to do is use the copy and paste tool. Now this next tool here has, hold on, let me just select another area, just like that. Now the next tool we have here, it sort of looks like it has 4 points. It's called the nudge tool. And now essentially it just does exactly what it says. It's a nudge tool. And what you want to do is you want to right click with it. And that drags it towards you, just like that. Or if you click on it, you can push it back as well. So, essentially, if something's out of place, you can drag it towards yourself or you can push it away from yourself. And let me see, I believe that is it. Simple. These are just basic tools. These aren't complicated ones. There are other tools you can use, but this is kind of just getting you started. You got the cursor tool, the hammer tool. Cursor tools for selecting, hammer is for destroying and basically, pasting a texture onto a selected area. Erase tool is for erasing areas that are selected. Copy tool is for essentially copying an area, like so. Nudge tool is for moving objects forward and backwards, depending on how you want to do it. And you can even do it sideways too, just in case you guys didn't know. Yeah, see, it's all directional, whatever you want to do it. So these are the basic tools. Hopefully this helped you guys. If you have any questions, comments, leave them in the video below. And hopefully you guys will watch the next episode. So I'll see you guys later.